Not yet. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Not yet. Might take some time before it shows. Oh, yeah, it does. Hi, how are you? Good to see you. Yeah, that's right. Maybe she will come back. Okay. Oh, you know why? Actually, do you know why that is happening? It's because can I quickly maybe let me try if I can share my screen with you. Um, because it's share screen desktop. Because there are two options on the mail. Yes, two options, and you have to actually choose the second one. The second one is about joining with an audio or something. And let me see if I'm able to share my screen, and then I can see that this takes some times. Yeah, I did schedule a meeting yesterday. It should be on in 30 minutes time. So I hope it works out. But yeah, like yeah. See. Okay. I am yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to share my screen. Yes, can you see my screen? Okay, so that's in my inbox, my email, and this is a message from you. So basically, it says, please click here. Once you click there, you're actually gonna have some trouble. I don't know why. It will ask you like, I mean, it will tell you that the room is full or whatsoever. But then I tried the second one, view more countries. This one. So this is the one that I clicked and then I managed to get in. So maybe she can try this one, the second option, kind of. Yeah, yeah. I had trouble joining in with this link. It was saying first it says let me just check on my because I sent it to you. Um, first it say no, first it says um network error, and then it also says room is full, please contact host. But once I tried the second link, this one, it worked without any trouble. I just had to fill in the ID meeting, and that's it. And I was connected. I was in. Yeah. Yep. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. So, mhm. Okay. Let's see if she will get in. Yeah, I just tried. Thanks though. Yeah, I just tried. Oops, meeting ended. All right. Right, maybe we can try another time. It seems like this meeting has ended automatically. The time has arrived. Anyway, yeah. So nice chatting, and see you again next time.